What's up, YouTube? Johnny V out here at Spillway, Norco, Louisiana, about 20-25 miles upstream the river from New Orleans. This is a spillway. This is usually like a recreational area and stuff like that, but they got the road closed right now because the river level is really high and it's leaking through the pins right now of the spillway. The gates are not open, but it still leaks very slowly through. As you can see, it goes underneath the highway over here, and I've seen the water up to the top of this roof, by the way. This area will really flood when it's open. This is a wilderness campground, it says. The water's really moving. They don't want launch any boats from over here. It's usually a boat launch and stuff. They don't want anybody launching boats because that's pretty dangerous. The water's moving so rapidly. You can see over here. This is usually dry land over here. Not right here, but over there is just like a road. But it's all flooded right now because the river level is so high. You can see how the water's rushing here. It's trying to go that way. It's the lower ground to the Lake Pontchartrain. It's about 3 or 4 miles from here. The river's about 1 mile that way, 1 or 2 miles that way, and it just floods the spillway, which it's made to do. There's nobody living there or anything like that. Sometimes they have floodways. Look how the water's up to the bottom of this. Watch out for alligators and stuff. But the water's really rushing here. You can see it looks really nice and stuff, but I wouldn't want to be in this water. It's probably full of alligators. We thought we saw one over there a minute ago. I wasn't sure. It was sunning. But it's really nice. I get the wildlife is loving this because this water is really high right here. It's not usually this high. That sign probably, I'm not sure, I hadn't been out here in a while, but you can see it's really moving. It's some current headed to the Lake Pontchartrain, and through the Lake Pontchartrain it goes out to the Gulf of Mexico. It's a shortcut, bypasses about 80-90 miles of Mississippi River to get into the Gulf. The problem is this is fresh water and it's flooding. It's dumping a lot of fresh water into the Lake Pontchartrain, which is brackish waters, and it's causing algae blooms. Ooh, there's a fish. You saw that fish jump? I don't know if you saw it. It's causing algae blooms, which is not good for the wildlife, but they say that fresh water, has an airplane landing right now in New Orleans airport's about 10 miles from here. They say that fresh water is good for some of the wildlife and stuff, but I don't know. I don't know all the details on it. I know algae blooms are bad in the Lake Pontchartrain. The lake's a huge lake if you look it up on the map. It's actually an estuary of the Mississippi River. But yeah, it's pretty cool out here. It's filthy over here. It's dirty. What the hell is that? You come empty these garbage cans. Looks like it's been a minute. People fishing with sticks. Just heard a fish just jump right there. You can see where I jumped from. Damn, I missed it. Yeah. Wear your life jacket. Life jackets save lives. Life jacket mandatory for operator and passengers while in operation. No swimming in boat launch area. Yeah, it's probably swimming prohibited 150 feet. So if you go out further than that, it's okay. I know you can swim in the lake, but this is really not a lake. That's just a canal that they have 2 long canals that drain out into the lake. Like I said, this is a recreational area usually. You know, like 9-10 months out the year. But when April, May comes, it's flood season and the Mississippi River drains 41% of the continental United States, I think it is. So yeah, this water's got to come somewhere. All the snow's melting and stuff. Alright, I just wanted to show you all that. I won't make this video too long. Remember, give me a big thumbs up and all that stuff. And I'll see you next time.